Hey everyone, I'm Shanky Modi, a certified nutrition and fitness coach, and I welcome you to this community of like minded people where every one of us is looking to get fitter, healthier, and stronger. Now, a few days back, I've created a WhatsApp group which is called Lift Your Health Sustainable Fitness for Life. अब ये मैंने WhatsApp ग्रुप क्यों बनाया है ओके और ये WhatsApp ग्रुप में क्या होता है सो इन दिस WhatsApp ग्रुप ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस आई ट्राई टू on a daily basis I try to share some daily practical and simple tips about health and nutrition. Okay, now these are no extreme diets, no crazy workouts, but the idea is to help people, everyday people like you and me, to include some sustainable health related stuff in your routine, which will carry of course long term benefits. Okay, now why this WhatsApp channel or why this WhatsApp group? Because I have realized, okay, that whenever it comes to fitness, इंटरनेट पर इतनी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, कुछ सही कुछ गलत, बट देन बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है टू डिसाइड कि मुझे कौन सी चीज़ को फॉलो करना है. एंड आई एम श्योर एवरी वन ऑफ अस वी मस्ट हैव फॉलोड सम क्रेजी डाइट्स, वी मस्ट हैव डन सम क्रेजी वर्कआउट्स, और वो एक हफ्ता चलता है, एक महीना चलता है, बट देन आफ्टर अ सर्टन पॉइंट वी जस्ट गिव अप एंड नथिंग हैपन्स. So this is the exact reason why I've started this WhatsApp group. In this group, people are free to post their queries, and I try my best to get back to them with simplest answer. Of course, all these tips, all these answers that I share, these are science-backed, and nothing is self-made. Okay. Of course, all these things come from learning, my own experiences. I've tried, I've failed, and I just want to combine it and share it with you guys. Okay. Now, in this video, of course, I wanted to share a little thing about this group and introduce myself. But then a few points which we have already covered in this group, which I want to share with people, because a lot of people जिन्होंने अभी join किया, and I think this video will of course benefit. And also I'm starting my YouTube channel, and this video will go there as well. So you can, if you think that this video is useful, just feel free to share it with your friends, with your family. All right. Now in this WhatsApp group, the first thing that I spoke of and which I religiously follow is the golden rule of thumb. What is this golden rule of thumb, right? What I believe and I religiously follow is, if you are starting any new habit, be it nutrition, be it exercise, be it anything in your life, okay, learning a new skill, of course you will see how this is going to benefit me. But then also along with that benefit angle, ask yourself, क्या मैं ये कर पाऊंगा for a longer period of time? Okay, it is not about doing it for a week or a month or a year. You should be able to fit that new habit in your routine. Just because वो किसी और के लिए हो रहा है अच्छे से, if it is working well for an individual, does not mean that it will fit into your routine and you'll be able to follow. Because यही एक पैटर्न होती रहती है. आप कुछ करते हो and then you feel overwhelmed about that thing. You should not be feeling overwhelmed about starting a new thing. Rather, I feel you should be feeling excited about starting any new thing. So that is the golden rule of thumb. You should be able to stay consistent with this new thing that you are starting. If you feel that no, this is something I will not be able to do, like set realistic goals, then tweak it according to your own benefit or your own comfort. Okay, simple thing. Get motivated after looking at a video and then कल से gym शुरू, I'll go to gym 7 days a week. Okay, it's okay if you start with 3 or 4 days. 7 दिन जा सकते हो, excellent. But don't start anything जो आप एक हफ्ता 10 दिन में बंद कर दोगे. Now, proceeding, the first thing that we spoke about, and whatever thing that we'll talk about, I'll not go into the benefits of it or the logic behind it, right? Of course, if there are any questions, you can share it in the WhatsApp group, or you can share it in the comment section as well, and I'll try to get back to you. But I'll try to make it very crisp. The first thing that we spoke about is water intake. Okay, we all know water is very important for our body. Try to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every single day. कोई भी सीजन हो, समर, मानसून, विंटर, मोस्ट ऑफ अस वी वर्क इन एयर कंडीशन ऑफिस, नहीं पी पाते. मोबाइल पर अलार्म रखते हैं, स्मार्ट वॉच में अलार्म रखते हैं, बट देन वो नहीं हो पाता. टिप क्या है, मैं कैसे फॉलो करता हूँ? द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज, सुबह उठते ही मैं 2 ग्लास पानी पी लेता हूँ. ओके, एंड देन द रूल इज आफ्टर एवरी वॉशरूम ब्रेक मैं 2-2 ग्लास पीते जाता हूँ, ओके? क्योंकि मैं पानी पीना भूल सकता हूँ या स्टॉप कर सकता हूँ मेरा स्मार्ट वॉच, लेकिन वॉशरूम का जो कॉल आएगा मैं उसको नहीं रोक सकता. सो आई urge you guys to take advantage of this hack, okay? It has helped me, helping a lot of friends of mine as well. So after every washroom break, drink 2 glass of water, or by the time it's 7 or 8 in the evening, you'll not even realize, okay, you have already drank 3 to 4 liters of water. And just start doing this from today, okay? And then you will thank yourself after seeing all the benefits, okay? The second thing is about sleep, okay? हमें सबको पता है कि हमें 7 से 9 घंटे की नींद लेनी चाहिए, लेकिन हम नहीं लेते, ओके? मसल रिकवरी, योर बॉडी रेस्ट, योर बॉडी ग्रोथ, ये सब कुछ तब होता है जब हम अपनी बॉडी को रेस्ट देते हैं. सो अपना रूटीन ही ऐसा है, रात को लेट हो रहा है, सुबह जल्दी उठना है, एंड देन इन दिस द थिंग दैट वी कॉम्प्रोमाइज इज स्लीप. Don't do that. Try and at least give 7 hours of continuous sleep to your body, not for a day, not for a week, forever, okay? And then with these 2 simple tips, okay, just try and do it for 15 days, okay? Next 15 days के लिए ये 2 चीज़ try करिए, you will see great results. I don't want to go into the results, but then you will thank yourself, okay? The third thing is, whenever it comes to fitness, a lot of people, they simply walk, okay? I have seen my parents walking. Of course, a lot of senior citizens, they walk. I can understand. But then even young people, mid-30s, early 40s, they simply walk. Fitness के नाम पर either they'll walk for 30-40 minutes in the morning or in the evening. Guys, walking helps, but only walking will not get you anywhere. Combine walking with some strength training, okay? अगर आप जिम जा सकते हो बहुत अच्छी बात है. जिम नहीं जा सकते तो घर पर एक्सरसाइज करिए. यू डोंट नीड एनी फैंसी इक्विपमेंट्स, ओके? यू कैन स्टार्ट विद बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेज लाइक पुशअप्स, पुलअप्स, स्क्वाट्स, लंजेस, ओके? अगर आपसे squats नहीं होते, there are assisted like supported squats available. You can do knee push-ups to start with, okay? So instead of telling yourself that, okay, I walked for 10 kilometers today or I walked for 15 kilometers, of course progress is good, but try to get into the exercise bit as well. Physical the exercise thing, especially the resistance training, will definitely help you a lot, because as we age, our muscle reduction or muscle loss starts happening, which is called sarcopenia, okay? And we definitely don't want to lose a lot of muscle. So the tip is, please don't only walk, but add a bit of resistance training as well in your routine. The fourth thing and the very important thing is protein. There's a lot of myth, a lot of wrong information about protein available in the market. I'm not talking about whey protein. I'm only talking about protein as a source. Like we get carbs from roti and rice, we get fats from oil, ghee, butter. Similarly, we get protein from different sources. Like if we talk about veg diet, we get protein from lentils, all kind of dals. We get protein from paneer, we get protein from soya. If you talk about animal source, we get protein from chicken, fish, eggs. And similarly, whey is also a source of protein. So the idea is you should include little bit of protein in every meal that you consume. All right. Protein helps in muscle recovery. Protein helps in fat loss as well, weight loss as well. And again, a lot of benefits which I don't want to cover in this video. But we spoke about 4 things: drink enough water, get enough rest. Don't only rely on walking, okay? Try with strength training. And the 4th one, of course, include protein in every meal of yours. These are the 4 basic things which we discussed in the group. There are some questions also which were brought up in the group, which of course I will answer in another video. But in this group, I only wanted to cover these tips and introduction about this WhatsApp group. So guys, thank you so much for listening. if you want to join, if you're not part of this group, if you want to be part of this group, I will share the link to this group in the description. Please feel free to join. If you think this video is informative and it will help any of your friends or family, please forward it to them. And do like this video if you already like this video. Also subscribe to this channel so that if I am posting any new video, you will get a notification. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you, guys.